The 80-20 rule, also called the Pareto Principle, is a powerful idea that can help you focus on what really matters. It says that roughly 80% of results come from just 20% of causes. In other words, a small part of your effort creates the biggest impact. This rule was first noticed by an Italian economist named Vilfredo Pareto. He found that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the people. Since then, this idea has been used in many areas like business, time management, and personal growth. Let's understand how it works. Imagine you have 10 tasks to do in a day. According to the 80-20 rule, 2 of those tasks will give you the most valuable results. If you focus on those important tasks first, you can get better results faster without wasting time on less important work. In business, this rule means 20% of customers often bring in 80% of the profits, so companies focus on those key customers to grow faster. In your life, you can find the 20% of activities that bring the most happiness, success, or progress. How to use the 80-20 rule effectively. First, identify the most important tasks or activities. Ask yourself, which tasks will give me the biggest results? Then prioritize those. Spend more time and energy on them. This is called working smarter, not harder. Second, learn to say no to less important things. Avoid distractions and busy work that don't add much value. This helps you save time and reduces stress. Third, review your progress regularly. Check if you are still focusing on the right 20%. Sometimes what is important can change over time. The 80-20 rule is not a strict law but a guideline. The exact numbers might not always be 80 and 20, but the idea that a few things create most of the results stays true. In summary, mastering the 80-20 rule means focusing on the small part that matters most. It helps you get better results with less effort. Whether it is your work, studies, or personal life, this principle can make your efforts more effective and meaningful. Try applying the 80-20 rule today. Look at your tasks, your goals, and your time. Find the vital few and focus on them. You will see progress and success faster than before.